Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina, and today we're gonna make slime with the slime kit. I already made slime with the slime kit, and I made a crunchy one, this green one, and I'm gonna make another one that's not gonna be a crunchy one, and it's gonna be purple colored. Those are this activator, this popsicle stick, the glue, this container, and the colors, and these bowls, which we're not going to be using, boop, and the spoon, and the bowl, and the measuring cup. And let's get started. Okay, and first we're going to add 15 millimeters of the clear glue. In the pan with this popsicle stick, like this. Then we're going to add 25 ml of water. That's all. And then pour it in. And next, stir it. Stir it slowly. Really good, but not too fast or it'll come out. Now we're gonna put in a spoon of purple. So my purple's already opened, and I'm gonna put it like this right here and mix it and put it right here and get it in. And then I'm gonna use the popsicle stick. If you wanna make the slime crunchy, you would like to put in the crunch balls right now. And now we're adding 5 ml of the activator. And pour it in. And then we're gonna mix. Whoa, now we're gonna talk about the other slime. The other slime was really sticky and crunchy. We had to just like blob it all around in our hands. And I don't know if it's ready, but it looks like it is. Now we're ready to grab it. It's not crunchy. But it is kind of sticky, so this was what I was talking about. We would have to do it if it was kind of sticky with the other slime. This one right here. And yeah, I didn't really like it, and I thought it was like the color of snot, and I pretended it was my snot. I like this one because it's not very sticky, and look at that. When I stretch it, it's like that. I really love it. And now I'm gonna show how it feels. So it feels very crunchy and sticky. You can see it sticking. So I don't really like this one, but I do like it because it's crunchy. And I really love slime, so I think I love it too. But I think I love the purple one the most. I hope you like, and if you like, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!